I was going to wake up early and exercise, but I decided to sleep in instead. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use instead. Instead means in place of someone or something. We often use instead of plus a noun. Let's look at some examples. Instead of coffee, I drank tea today. Would it be possible to meet on Thursday instead of Friday? We also use instead of plus the ing form of a verb. Erin was tired, so she decided to order pizza instead of cooking dinner. I buy all of my clothes online now instead of going to a store. We can also use instead at the end of a sentence. I was going to wake up early and exercise, but I decided to sleep in instead. Can you practice in your bedroom instead? Give it a go. Make your own sentence using instead and leave it in the comments below.